Good job, Charlotte. Big bite. Do you like your sketty? Sketty?
No.
Sketty.
No.
No?
No.
No? Silly.
No.
Are you silly? No, Charlotte. Yucky, don't do that. How's your sketty, Wes? Is it nummies? Who's on your placemat? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
Elmo.
Yeah, that's Elmo. You're right. I don't know who that is. What is that?
That's me.
A tree. You're right. What is that? What is this?
Elmo.
What is this, Wesley? What is that?
Elmo.
A hat. You're right. You're right, Charlotte. Do you want to show me Elmo too? Show Mommy Elmo. Where's Elmo? Where is he? Where's Elmo?